Hello and welcome to the AST201 News channel. My name is Nina. Our story today is about Chang'e 5's landing mission. Later, we're going to be investigating its mission, what it is, how it gets to and back from the moon, and finally, its impact on the field of astronomy. Shortly, we'll be going live. Welcome back. For today's news broadcast, we're going to discuss something that flies to the moon. Some people might ask, what exactly is it that flies to the moon? A rocket? No, of course not, a rocket. It's a prop that was developed by China, the Chang'e 5's mission named after Chinese goddess that is in charge of the moon. Chang'e 5's mission is to collect samples from the moon and return them to Earth. Besides, Chang'e 5 is the only sample return mission that has been successfully conducted in the past 40 years. Thus, the return of the Chang'e 5 is able to make a huge impact on humans' development of knowledge relating to space. And now is the space quote time. The moon is the first milestone on the road to the stars by Arthur C. Clarke. After that short break, now we're going to have a little Q&A section. Here comes a question. What is Chang'e 5? It's actually really straightforward. The Chang'e 5's prop is consist of 4 parts: lander, ascender, orbiter, and returner. Lander, as its name, is in charge of landing on the moon's surface after being ejected from the orbiter. Ascender is in charge of bringing the sample from the surface to the orbiter. Orbiter, the most essential part of the aircraft, is in charge of bringing the sample back to Earth. Finally, the returner brings the sample back to Earth by performing a re-entry through the atmosphere. The 4 parts are initially combined and sent to the moon on November 23, 2020. The lander and ascender are separated from the rest of the body at the lunar orbit on November 30th, 2020. After collecting the sample, the ascender pushes the lander back to the orbiter and returns on December 3rd. And now let's pass the mic to Nana and see how the prop was landed. Hi everyone! Now here's the video showing that how Chang'e 5 was landed on the moon. Fascinating, isn't it? Thank you, Nina, for inviting me to the broadcast. Thank you, Nana, for showing us how the prop was landed. And now, quote time. That's One Small Step for a Man, One Giant Leap for Mankind, by Neil A. Armstrong, commander of Apollo 11. Finally, as the last part of the show, let's talk about how Chang'e 5 will impact our understanding of the moon. Chang'e 5's discovery is truly a milestone for China's space exploration ambition, since it's the first successfully launched probe that brought the sample back to Earth. For China, scientists are able to record the information and prepare for more explorations in the future. Chang'e 5 is truly a breakthrough that leads to further development in technical issues relating to bringing additional samples back to Earth. Also, building the Chang'e 5 probe leads to technological discovery in inventing materials that are suitable for space travel. In the near future, traveling and sampling to further planets might be feasible due to the discovery of Chang'e 5. Further, through studying with the actual sample, the scientists are able to form more labs that might allow us to grow food on Moon in the future. Although these discoveries are fascinating, they don't challenge our current understanding of the universe, since humans have already collected samples from the moon 40 years ago. As the clock approaches 7 p.m., our news has come to an end. Again, thank you for watching and stay with the tune. AST201 News Report, Nina.